Hey there, fellow explorers. Welcome to Little Stars, your ultimate destination for children. If you're as passionate about delicious recipes for kids, then hit that subscribe button right now and join our incredible community. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on the amazing kids' meals recipes videos we have in store for you. So, let's dive right in. Here's a basic recipe for a lotus cheesecake. Ingredients: 250 grams lotus biscuits, crushed. 100 grams unsalted butter, melted. 500 grams cream cheese, softened. 200 grams sweetened condensed milk. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 200 milliliters whipping cream. Lotus biscoff spread for topping. Instructions: in a bowl, mix the crushed lotus biscuits with the melted butter until well combined. Press the mixture firmly into the base of a 9-inch springform pan to form the crust. Chill in the refrigerator for at least 15 minutes. In a separate bowl, beat the cream cheese until smooth. Gradually add the sweetened condensed milk and vanilla extract, mixing well after each addition. In another bowl, whip the whipping cream until stiff peaks form. Gently fold the whipped cream into the cream cheese mixture until well incorporated. Pour the cream cheese mixture over the chilled crust in the springform pan. Smooth the top with a spatula. Warm the lotus biscoff spread slightly and drizzle it over the cheesecake in a decorative pattern. Refrigerate the cheesecake for at least 4 hours or overnight to set. Once the cheesecake is firm, remove it from the springform pan and serve chilled. Enjoy your delicious lotus cheesecake. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe this channel where I give you delicious recipes I've learned about. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.